In this session, I'm going to present you a problem that we have in the company and how my creative team was able to solve it. Without having the Zoho ecosystem and without knowing how everything works together, we would probably spend $100,000 minimum to solve this business problem. But in this case, it was relatively a quick solution and it's awesome, it works great. The problem that we have as a company is that we're serving customers around the world. We have really a big amount of customers, and every customer will be in different language, different time zone. When my developers are assisting clients, as a company, we require to see a log of the help that was provided, and we also need to have a time log of when it starts and when it ended, so we know that the client is being billed only on the hours or the minutes that he used with the developer. So nothing funny is going around. When we are serving clients today, we cannot really do it in an efficient way. It's basically based on the developer, and I don't want to base any kind of company policy based on people. I want to make sure that my system is smart enough to force everyone to do the right thing. So we created a system. It's a support system that exists on our client CRM. And from there, they can request support, they can talk to the agents, and whenever they will finish the session, a time log will automatically be created on our Zoho book systems, so everything is perfect. And let me show you how it works. We have created a Zoho extension that whenever you install it, it will create here the ABR support button, and when you click on it, it will open this page. This page basically tells you that this is a live support when we are with the hours that we are working, and also that it costs money. So once you click on start your support session, it will open here, and then you can start your support session. You will write the type of support that you need, and now you will have multiple agents, basically developers, that will get this request. Once they will answer, you see, so now Jatin, for example, he just picked up this chat, and once I will start to communicate with him, this chat, first of all, of course, will be saved with the log, and it will also create a timesheet on our Zoho book system. So we were able, in a really nice way, to provide premium support, because it's just a click of a button from your own CRM. You don't need to go to my website and so on. And we're also able to protect the client and make sure that the time that is spent with him, that's all the client is paying. So I just want to show you that because Zoho is such a robust system and it has so many abilities, you can grab different products from Zoho and you create insane functionality. It's very, very cool. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Thank you very much for this session. If you have more ideas of cool stuff that you want to do, shoot them in the comments below, and we'll see if we can help you with your solution.